An important component of a user story is the priority. Do you know who will set the priority?
The product owner decides whether it is high, low, or medium priority.
Yes, the priority is set by the product owner. But here we will not prioritize it as high, medium, or low. In fact, the product backlog is called an ordered list in Scrum. So, when we say the product owner is responsible for setting the priority to the user story, we talk about prioritizing and ordering the user story in the backlog based on its priority so that the highest priority user story is at the top. Some of the criteria the product owner would consider while deciding the priority are value delivered, effort required, dependencies, how refined the story is, risk involved. The value that the user story will deliver determines where it goes in the backlog. A high-value user story goes to the top, and a low-value user story goes down in the list. In the case of effort required, weightage will be high on a user story that requires less effort compared to the user story with more effort. Dependency of a user story on other user stories or any external factor also determines in which position the user story is placed in the backlog. For example, in a shopping cart application, checkout may be the most important feature, but it cannot be implemented before, say, the product listing and selection feature is implemented. Similarly, if a user story depends on some third-party service, the story cannot be started until the dependent service is available. Level of refinement refers to the readiness of the user story to start work. It is the responsibility of the product owner to make sure the user story at the top is ready for the development team to take up. Another important factor to consider here is the risk factor. If the risk is high, take it up first.
Want to see how this team transformed using Scrum? Discover the full journey in My Agile Journey with Scrum. Read the book and unlock practical insights through a story.